Right. So guys, we were playing tag right now on my Snapchat. I put it on my Snapchat, and then I ran because I got scared from my cousin because he scares me a lot. He's so mischievous. So I ran inside, and then he just said he heard a noise. So I'm right here with him, and we're just walking right here, trying to hear some noises. Dude, Junior, go. Oh no, short vid, but this is worth it, bro. Did you hear that? No, bro. Oh my, bro, I'm scared, bro. Bro, dude, I swear I saw the guy, bro. Like I heard it, bro. He's right here, bro. Bro, what the hell? No, go. What the hell? My brother. Okay, no, that's done. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and like, please
Subscribe for making us suffer.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm so scared, bro.